Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to file Robinhood taxes. Gather your Forms 1099, annual statements, and full transaction history from Robinhood before you begin. Review wash sale rules and note any disallowed losses that affect cost basis. Separate taxable events like dividends, short-term trades, and long-term trades. Decide if you will use tax software or a tax professional, and prepare to import CSVs or enter trades manually for accurate reporting. Start by categorizing each trade as short-term or long-term based on holding period. Use Form 8949 to report individual trades when the broker basis or adjustments differ from your records. Match Robinhood totals to your brokerage 1099B and reconcile any mismatches. Apply wash sale adjustments to disallowed losses and update cost basis accordingly. Importing trades into popular tax software can save time and reduce manual entry errors when done carefully. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear tax walkthroughs. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control and smart mapping make life easier while you handle taxes. It's a handy time saver if you want floors done while crunching numbers. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Identify taxable income types such as ordinary dividends, qualified dividends, and interest from your Robinhood statements. Enter dividend amounts as reported on Form 1099 DIV and apply the qualified dividend treatment where eligible. Crypto transactions require separate reporting and accurate cost basis per disposal event. Also include any MISC or other income reported on 1099 forms. Double-check totals against Robinhood summaries to avoid omissions and ensure your return reflects all income sources.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.